Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking about my cloth diaper washing routine. So I use AppleCheeks cloth diapers. It's my favorite brand. And up until now I have been stuffing them with 2-ply bamboo inserts, and I've been changing her diaper by just putting the insert on top of the diaper like so. When I was stuffing them on top like this, I could reuse the diaper cover 3 times until I had to change it because, this part got dirty, but this part stayed clean. Now I'm stuffing them inside, which I find is more comfortable for her. However, I have to wash the diapers now every 2 to 3 days just because I run out of diapers quicker. So this is my diaper washing routine. I have here 2 bags of AppleCheeks dirty diapers. One I keep upstairs in my room in a diaper pail, and then the other one I keep on the main floor of my house. That way I don't have to run up and down the stairs every time I change the diaper. And so I'm gonna bring these downstairs to the laundry room to get them washed. So I'm in my laundry room with my bird because he wanted to come. And I have my laundry baskets. This is the only gross part. It's gonna smell a little bit. I'm gonna turn the bag inside out and put it into the washing machine. So I'm going to use some powdered Tide. Some washing machines you can use any liquid detergent. However, I've tried many detergents. It didn't work for me. So the best thing that I found was to use powdered Tide. And I'm going to start with a pre-wash. So I'm going to start by putting just a little bit of detergent just below the number 1 line and toss it into the washing machine before I even put anything in. Now, stay up there, Indigo. Now I'm going to turn these 2 bags inside out into the drum of my washing machine. Again, this part's a little bit gross, but it's only for a few seconds. Make sure everything gets in there. Here's the other one. Good. Close it up. And I will do a quick wash for about 25 minutes. So I've set my washing machine to do a quick wash of 25 minutes. This is just a pre-wash to get off any, gross stuff in the diaper. And then after that, I'm going to do a heavy-duty wash. So like I said, 25 minutes later, the quick wash is done. I'm put it on heavy-duty wash for an hour and a half on hot water on high. So the heavy duty wash has just ended. So now I'm going to do just one last rinse and spin. It's 19 minutes. And that will get rid of any of the residual soap that's in there. And then I'll be back in 19 minutes to show you the next step. Okay, so the cycle is done. Everything should be nice and clean. So now what I would do is hang the diaper covers to dry and put all the bamboos in the dryer because the covers can't go in the dryer, but these can. However, today it's nice and sunny out. I'm going to put everything outside to dry because the sun will bleach this nice and white and get rid of any stains. Alright, so I'll leave them for a few hours and then I'll come back and collect them. Okay, so I took everything off the line and everything is dry, but I'm going to put the inserts in the dryer just for a few minutes just to soften them up so they're more comfortable, but the diaper covers do not need to go in the dryer. And as you can see, I have some washcloths here. These are what I use for wipes, so they're going to also go in the dryer. So now everything is ready and out of the dryer, and I'm going to fold it and prepare it to be used. So I have my bamboo insert, and I'm going to fold it into a 3-way fold. 1, 2, and that makes it 3. And then you can fold it in half if you want to store it that way, but I'd like to stuff it right into the diaper. So there's a pocket just over here. I'm going to slip it in. Okay, smooth it out and then just fold it in half. So when you need a diaper next, it's ready. And I'm going to do that for all the rest of my diapers here. I hope my cloth diaper video was helpful. Let me know if you have any more questions about cloth diapering. You can leave your questions in the comments down below. Thank you for watching. See you next time.